Well, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing off my gutter cleaner. I picked this up a couple of months ago and I absolutely love it. It's so you don't have to get up on a step ladder. Basically, you just attach your garden hose to it. It's got a nice little valve here. And it's got quite a bit of adjustment here, so you can just kind of put it the direction that you're looking for. And then it also telescopes about 6 foot or so. So all you need to do is just get the angle that you're looking for, put it up on the gutter, and just kind of turn it on, and hopefully you can wash everything out. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you need to do is turn it on. Then move it along. You might get splashed a little bit. And there it is. Works like a champ. So I've used this all around the house, and I haven't had a problem with it yet. So haven't actually got up there and inspected it, but from the water and the leaves coming out the bottom, I feel as if it's doing a pretty good job. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.